What's up, what's up, what's up? Good evening, good morning, good afternoon to wherever you are. This is another unboxing slash review from Dhgate I just received in the mail just moments ago. It is a Cartier watch. I wanted to get something different. I got some more products coming in. It's gonna be Cartier, but this is a Cartier watch. I think it's a Santos, but we're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. It came by DHL and bubble wrapped. Let's see, doing this with one hand. All right, came in bubble wrap, which is good, always efficient, because we don't want our stuff getting smushed, cracked, or broken. Comes in a little plastic bag. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, people, please bear with me. Another plastic material. All right, excuse the dust. All right. Ooh. Oh man, look at that. Cartier. The details on it, nice. Very nice. Let's get this trash out the way. Okay, so here we have is the Cartier watch. I'm gonna be exact with y'all. I most likely will have the official name in the title, but wow, look at that. This is a woman's watch. This is not the man's version. This is the woman's. As you can see, the wrist part of the watch is very smaller, way smaller, and the watch is smaller. Has a nice weight to it, not too heavy, but heavy enough to let you know you got a watch on you. Got a little, ooh. Let's see what the inside says. I mean, the shine is superb. It says Cartier on the back where the battery is. It says Paris. I think it's letting me know it's sterling silver 925 Swiss. But look at the diamonds. Look at this. I mean, they're not real diamonds, as you may already know, but just imagine when this thing hits the light, the natural light outside, it's going to really shine. It's really going to show everything that you are looking for. Look at this watch. It says Cartier analog dial, if I'm not mistaken, I'm saying it right. It's got the date down there, which is wrong. I'm gonna have to fix that, because today is actually the 25th of June. It's got the blue thing, just like the original. But this is nice. I'm about to try to put it on my wrist right quick, so bear with me. Oh yeah, that's nice. This is nice. Oh man. Cartier. This watch was only 30 bucks. Shipping was free. Came shipped by DHL, which is another plus. I don't know about you, but I'd rather have my stuff shipped by DHL or e-packet or I can't remember the other one, but this is nice. I mean, it's got a nice weight. Looks good. Whew, yeah. I gotta take the plastic off of it. I feel like the plastic on it is holding back the shine, but I mean, you can still see the shine even with the plastic on it. Like, man, look at this. But yes, this is my Cartier watch review from Dhgate. If you would like to know who the seller is, please leave not a comment, but please inbox me, and I would love to give you the seller so you can get this nice product as well. But please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'm telling you, it'd be the best thing you will do. Peace.